In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the copy trading feature on the platform Bitrue. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitrue, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you can get up to $1,000 in bonuses. Simply click right here on register to claim. And then right here, simply enter your email address and set a password, or use one of these options down here and create your account in less than 30 seconds. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you'll get to this page right here. And the first thing I want to show you is how you can directly deposit money. First, how to deposit crypto. Simply go up here to assets and then click on deposit. Then up here, make sure to choose the coin that you want to deposit. As you can see, there are many different cryptocurrencies. In my case, I'm just going to use USDT for now. Then I can choose the network. Of course, make sure that you're using the same network right here as of the other wallet or exchange where you're sending the money from to here. In my case, I'm just going to choose the Tron network. And then as you can see down here, I will be presented with my personal deposit address, which I can now copy to my clipboard right here and then send to crypto to here. It usually only takes a few minutes. And if you're sending larger amounts, I recommend you to first send a small test transaction. And once you've received everything, send the remaining amount with the second transaction. So that's how you can deposit crypto. If you don't have any crypto yet, or you want to deposit with fiat money, so euro, US dollar, British pound, whichever fiat currency you have, there's also an option for that. You simply have to go up here to buy. Then right here, choose the fiat currency that you currently have. In my case, I'm just going to choose the euro. Type in how much. In my case, I'm just going to choose 500. Down here, I recommend you just choose USDT. So what I will do is it will just use a third-party service and buy with your euro the USDT, and then you will have that USDT balance right here credited on your account to use for trading. Then we just have to click on buy USDT right here. You need to run through the KYC verification to do that. So that is one small downside if you want to deposit with fiat directly on here. They then offer multiple payment methods, and it also only takes a few minutes. But of course, I also recommend you, especially if you're depositing larger amounts, to simply buy crypto on another exchange and then send the crypto that you bought to Bitrue. If you're more interested in that, I have a separate video on my channel where I explain how to do exactly that in just a few steps. Once you have deposited any money, you can always check if it has already arrived by simply going up here to your assets and then just click on overview. Here you can see your different accounts. If you just go into your spot account, this is where the money will arrive when you deposit something. You can see right here, this is my $170 that I have deposited to my account. All right, so once we have money right here in our account, we can now go to the copy trading feature. And to get there, we simply go up here to derivatives and then click on copy trading. Then we will get to this copy trading page right here. And as you can see, we have all these different traders. You can sort them or filter them down, or also search for a specific trader in here. And let's say I'm just going to pick one. Let's say this one here, for example. If I just go into this trader, I can see some more statistics about the trader, what's his performance in the past, and also if I scroll down, what's his current open positions, his followers, his history, and all these statistics right here. Also, I can see the profit ratio up here, and if I want to follow a trader, I simply have to go here and click on copy trading. Then in here, I need to make sure that I have some available funds, so I'm just going to go in here from my spot account. Let's say I want to put in $50 of my own money. Click on transfer to the copy account. And then once that is successful, I have it in here. Let's agree to the terms. I could also place some advanced settings in here, such as a take profit and stop loss. So I want to get out at a certain profit or a loss. In this case, I'm just going to leave that empty and just click on submit down here. And then I was successful, and now I'm copying this trader. If I go back here to the copy trading market, I can now see up here that I'm following this trader with a certain amount. And if I go in here, I can now see it already copied this one trade right here. If the trader opens multiple trades, I can see them in here, and also my history. And of course, I can also follow multiple traders if I want to do that. And if I want to edit any values, I can just click on here. And of course, in the end, if I want to unfollow this trader right here in total, I just click right here on unfollow, confirm it, and then this position right here will be closed, and I unfollowed the entire trader again. Don't forget to pick up your special sign-up bonus with up to $1,000 in bonuses by simply going down to the first link in the video description. Just click on register to claim right here and start creating your account within a few seconds.